Hello mga boss, welcome back to Pinay in Saudi, and for today's video, I will do a YouTube tutorial on how to check YouTube videos total duration. So whether it is a channel or a playlist. So from there, just go to your YouTube app and then go to your profile picture. Just click it and it will lead you to my channel, and just click my channel. And then in the box, and make it sure that it is a channel or a playlist URL, and then hit submit. And voila! So this is the total video duration of my channel. And if you want to know the playlist one, just do the same thing. So that's it. I hope that it helps, and thank you for watching.